swish. The wipers on the bus go swish, 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 all through the town. The driver on the bus says, ticket, please. Driver on the bus says, ticket, please. Driver on the bus says, ticket, please. All through the
Ren was next to me and I got scared, so I pressed the button. That's it.
I think it's Ren because Rosemi got run over.
Really? The bus would not hurt anyone.
Rosemi got run over.
Oh my gosh.
Unless it's Fulgur and he just hasn't been killing the whole time.
Shit.
Nah, it's definitely Ren. Rosemi tried to defend him, and
It's not me.
Remu flat out accused him, and Rosemi was the only one defending him. It's gotta be Ren.
Rosemi,
Lyra, you heard nothing.
I don't
she
get
should
it.
have
I don't
killed
get
me
it.
in
How-
the time that we were there together if she was the killer. Maybe she just didn't kill me because she's Rosemi. But then we were waiting
That's
for the
true.
bus together, and then the last second she ran out and got run over.
She didn't have a ticket. I had to do what I had to do. Get Ren out of here.
Oh my god, my
Hey,
stomach.
not me.
God,
I
it's probably
literally-
Admitted his crime.
With the no. She's stepped in front of the bus. She got isekai'd. She's gonna be a protagonist now.
The
It's
bus
fine.
was already coming into the loading zone, and yet she still ran in.
I'm sorry, but
Fucking funny when you ran in front of the bus.
I believe you 100%, Remu. It's just, you know, you were also the pit.
Yo, thank you all for watching this clip. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe button on my channel, not theirs, because they're stealing content. Thanks, guys.